This is how to cure your hiccups. Just pat your chest like this. Breathe in slowly. Then exhale. Slowly. After you do that, just keep repeating it 3 more times. If it worked for you, give a big thumbs up on the video. If it didn't, just comment down below if it did or not.